all the businesses were shut down. But Oriflame was working every day, every hour, every second. This is the power of networking. Our checks were coming regularly.
And I would like to share, during that time, our income grown by 10 to 15%. That is the most beautiful thing about this business. During tough time, it was growing.
Keep calm and buy Oriflame. Also, do we know Oriflame is a big company that has 3 unique offers? Look great, make money, and have fun. Great mission of fulfilling dreams, women empowerment by making them independent consultants. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. Love does not consist of gazing at each other, but in looking outward towards in the same direction. So here I speak about Sucheta Kapoor and Sanjay Kapoor, both diamond directors at Oriflame India Private Limited. Perfect example of being a couplepreneur. स्वागत है आप दोनों का.
Thank you so much, Rashi ji, for inviting us and giving us this opportunity.
Sucheta ji, talk us through your professional journey and brand Sucheta Sanjay Kapoor.
Hello, Rashi. It's really a privilege to be interviewed by you. And talking about my journey in Oriflame, I started my journey as a self-user because I was looking for natural products because I've got sensitive skin. And my sister and brother-in-law introduced me into Oriflame. And just after using the product, I saw the effect it had on my skin. So I started recommending it to my friends and relatives. And I don't know how this journey started because I really like to meet people every day. And सबका शौक होता है कि तैयार होके लोगों से मिलना. So that is how my journey in Oriflame started. And when people started asking for the products, I asked them to join me as a brand partner with Oriflame. And slowly I started earning a lot in Oriflame. And my journey as a director started in Oriflame. And when Sanjay joined me slowly, when I started earning around 50,000 per month, Sanjay also started giving support to me. And then there was no looking back. And year after year, we started growing in Oriflame and reached the highest title in Punjab, that is a diamond director. So it was a very proud moment. We became the first diamond directors in Punjab. It was a very nice journey because we started enjoying our journey. And all over India, we were the first recipients of the first free duster car. We took around 25 foreign trips absolutely free from Oriflame. And when people started fulfilling their dreams, it was a very nice journey with us. And we became role models for many people. And it was a very proud moment after completing my daughter completed her master's. And then she said that I don't want to do any job. I want to join you in your Oriflame journey. And now even she is a director. So when you become role models for your children, it is really a proud moment.
बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि घर के मर्द स्त्रियों को फॉलो करें and this is a brilliant example today. Sanjay ji, over to you. Why don't you tell us about brand Sanjay Kapoor?
Well, if I talk about brand as a Sanjay Kapoor, it always give me, you can say it was a lifetime my dream कि आपको आपके नाम से पहचाना जाए. People know you by your name. So there on other side there was Oriflame, जो Oriflame which is supporting us, वो हमें हर बार support कर रहा है. That is a huge brand, big brand. And the other side, I have to develop my own brand. So we started meeting people and we started working on social media. On our very late stages, we started working on social media. And slowly and gradually, eventually, we have seen that people are following us. And we are talking about success. We are talking about opportunities. We are talking about earning opportunities. And that what encourages us to reach other people.
Yeah. Tell us about Oriflame India Private Limited and its journey with its achievement till now.
Oriflame was founded in the year 1967 in Stockholm, and it is a Swedish direct selling company. And it was the first direct selling company which entered India. And Oriflame is present in 62 countries in the world. And it is one of the most leading beauty and wellness company selling direct. We offer a wide range of high quality beauty and wellness products. And we also give a business opportunity to many people so that they can fulfill all their dreams with Oriflame.
Mrs. Kapoor, please tell us how simple it is for anyone to start business with Oriflame India Private Limited, and what are the steps involved?
Oriflame is really simple. Anybody and everybody can be involved into Oriflame. 18 years of above, a lady, gents, and even children can get involved into Oriflame. In any business, you have to have ethics, loyalty, honesty, and trust. People should trust you. And when people started fulfilling their dreams, it was a very proud moment for me.
Sanjay ji, over to you now. So, what is the power of networking, especially with brand Oriflame into consideration? And see, Oriflame has given the world a new aspect, style of business. This is what came with Oriflame. So, what are your thoughts on those? Over to you.
If we talk about power of network marketing, so आज की डेट में when people are struggling, this is the most powerful industry जो आपको एक नई दिशा दे सकती है, एक नई डायरेक्शन दे सकती है. The people who are not earning enough, they want to earn more, but they are not earning enough. The network marketing and Oriflame, it's a beautiful combination where you can start your career. If I talk about not only about people like us who want to work as a couple, they want to spend more time with each other. It's a very fantastic opportunity where you're balancing both your work and life. दोनों चीज़ों का एक बहुत ही combination है, अच्छा balance maintain कर रहे हैं. And some people, they really want to start their businesses. But to start your business, you need some investment, you need some infrastructure, you need some system. But here, Oriflame is giving us all that system and all that infrastructure. All we need to do in this, that we take out this opportunity out and talk about and shout out about this opportunity, and that can give unlimited opportunity to earn money to anybody who joins network marketing or Oriflame.
A lot of youngsters, since you just mentioned that your daughter also became an entrepreneur and a consultant with Oriflame as a director. Now, what is special for the youth?
Here I will add that Oriflame आपको unlimited opportunity provide कर रहा है. Whenever I see many of youngsters are looking forward to move out of India. मुझे out of India जाना है, but opportunities are here in India because multinational companies are coming to India. All we need to do is we just develop a discipline, and only one discipline that is going to help you, especially youngster, that's self-discipline. You just maintain your self-discipline, and that is going to give you an unlimited opportunity. Network marketing or Oriflame, if I talk about, especially for youngster, बहुत बार लोगों को लगता है कि किसी बहुत जल्दी से मेरे पास एक मैजिक स्टिक आ गया है. देयर इज नो मैजिक स्टिक. कोई जादू की छड़ी नहीं है. इट्स अ प्रोसेस, इट्स अ लर्निंग, इट्स अ वे वेयर यू डेवलप बाय लर्निंग एवरी डे आपको कुछ लर्न करना है. Same like that, the doctors are learning, engineers are learning. Similarly, in Oriflame, we need to learn. And the more we will learn, and definitely opportunity आपके लिए unlimited हो जाएगी. जितनी ज़्यादा आपके पास लर्निंग आएगी, उतना ज़्यादा अनलिमिटेड हो सकता है. एंड हेयर, क्योंकि यंगस्टर्स जो होते हैं उनके पास जोश है, एंड अगर कोई एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन मिल जाए जिसके पास एक्सपीरियंस है, तो दोनों जब क्लब करते हैं, दोनों की कोलैबोरेशन होती है, एक पार्टनरशिप होती है, वी कैन मेक अ वंडरफुल बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी हियर इन इंडिया ओनली.
Youngsters don't want a boss. And in network marketing, especially in Oriflame, there is no boss. You are your own boss. There are no fixed working hours. The more you put in your time, the more success you'll get. So that is what attracts youngsters into network marketing.
So what Oriflame, especially talking about the products, are there any new launches? Are there any sales coming up? Are there any offers from Oriflame? Let's hear that.
Offers are always there in Oriflame, especially during the festive season. Like in every month, there is novelty in Oriflame. Every month we have around 15 to 20 new products. So that is what attracts everybody to rush and place orders in Oriflame, because there is always excitement in Oriflame. And during the festive season, we have Zoom sessions from our makeup expert, Monica, who teaches us how to do self makeup. And that is how our color cosmetic sells. And because of the COVID, people are very conscious about their health also. So our wellness expert, Yogesh, tells us about wellness products. So during the festive season, everybody wants to be healthy also, especially during this pandemic time. So in Oriflame, there are so many Zoom meetings and all, and that is how we promote our products also.
So there is all the time celebration in Oriflame.
Yeah,
Every time you will
every day
find a
is a
celebration,
celebration.
and you will find कि भी हाँ आज मुझे कुछ नया करना है. I need to do something new today. That excitement is always there in Oriflame.
नाम तो सबने सुना हुआ है ओरिफ्लेम, बट वो कंपनी चलती किस तरीके से आज बहुत सालों के बाद पता चल पा रहा है. एंड इट्स टोटली एक्साइटिंग टू नो एंड सो मच ऑफ गुड एनर्जी. सो संजय जी, यू थिंक यू हैव अ स्पेशल ऑफर फ्रॉम ओरिफ्लेम टू बिकम अ ब्रांड पार्टनर?
हम एक कैरियर में क्या चीज़ देखते हैं कि वो स्टेबल हो ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग. आपका जो फ्यूचर है वो सिक्योर होना चाहिए. एंड इन ऑरिफ्लेम आई कैन अश्योर यू आपका एक सिक्योर फ्यूचर हो सकता है. व्हाई सो आई एम सेइंग दिस? Because when you are entering into the business, you are entering with the zero investment. Now, this is something very wonderful that you are entering without any investment. The other thing that I like, कि किसी भी business के अंदर nobody is going to teach you how to start and how to do this work. But in Oriflame, we teach each and everything. If someone is willing to learn, then definitely ये opportunity definitely बहुत बड़ी हो सकती है. हाँ, अगले 3 महीने या अगले कुछ महीने one has to learn कि इसको कोई नया चीज होगा, नया सिस्टम होगा, they need to learn. But during this tough time when people are losing jobs, when people are struggling in their small businesses, so this is the right kind of business where they can jump in and they can explore the new things and they can explore the new feature for themselves. Now this is the way where you can change your life in a very different way. You will find everything what people want. They want to travel, and you're traveling twice or thrice a year and you're not spending any money. This is a wonderful opportunity. What people want, they want to earn good money. You are getting opportunity to earn commissions. We are getting 6-figure earning every month. Now people can do that with our experience. They can learn how to do this thing. कैसे ये किया जा सकता है. And what other things? People want recognition. That is the most important part. They got recognized for each and every small or big achievement. People get recognized for that. And especially for the housewives, जिनको कभी recognition में I know कि वो नहीं मिल पाती है, here is the platform. They can get recognized for their good work, for the wonderful performances. I will encourage कि आज अगर कोई भी struggle कर रहा है, just take this as a challenge और उसको आप experience करके देखें. You will going to enjoy. But अगर आप learn करने के लिए तैयार हैं, there is no shortcut in our business. हमारे business में कोई भी shortcut नहीं होगा. There is a process, there is a system we all need to follow, and that is going to make you definitely success in this business.
बहुत ही इजी करके संजय जी ने सबको बताया है कि इफ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग थ्रू दीज डेज and you're not finding your space, get in touch with Sanjay Kapoor. I think he will help you set up your business. Sucheta ji, what is, since you have networked and worked with women mostly, widely, what is your special message to those women out there who want to start, but you know, they need a hand?
Abroad में होता था कि every person in the family should earn. This is applicable in India also now. And I would request all the kids above 18 years of age, gents and ladies, Oriflame is there for you and we are there to support you. Before the COVID, we used to do only offline meetings. But after the pandemic, we have learned how to do Zoom sessions. And now we can connect through Zoom all over with everybody all over India, only through a click. And every 5:30, we have a club by the name of Dazzling Stars. And every day at 5:30, we connect with all our brand partners.
गौर से सुनिए वो बार बार क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि लाइफ विल गेट इजियर वर्किंग विद ओरिफ्लेम. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कौन करेगा, ऐसे कौन बात करेगा, फोन उठा के कौन बोलेगा कि कॉस्मेटिक ले लो. दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. देयर इज अ सिस्टम दैट दे आर फॉलोइंग, एंड इफ यू फॉलो दैट सिस्टम, आई थिंक यू विल बी much better than many other people who are looking for work and business. Sanjay ji, what is your special message to the entire business community out there?
We are a social selling company for past so many years that we talk person to person. We recommend person to person. This is the beauty of this business, right? We are communicating and we are socializing. Everybody likes to socialize, and this is the best way to socialize. And most important thing, जो कि network marketing में सबसे important है समझने के लिए, इसको एक primary से एक बिल्कुल एकदम बढ़िया income बनाने के लिए, that is we need to follow some ethics, we need to follow some values, we need to follow some honesty, as said earlier by Suchita. ये बहुत important है. तो ये एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी हो सकती है जो आप सबके लिए बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक एक लाइफस्टाइल लेके आ सकती है. एंड वॉट एवर यू थिंक अबाउट, यू जस्ट थिंक अबाउट ड्रीम्स. वी ऑलवेज से योर ड्रीम्स आवर इंस्पिरेशन. जस्ट इंस्पायर अस विद योर ड्रीम्स and we'll help you, we'll support you, we'll guide you how to do it. It's very simple, it's very easy. You're not going to invest anything to join it, you're not going to invest anything to learn it. And once you are able to learn it, there is unlimited earning in this business.
Coming to you, Sucheta ji, for example, once we floated your poster, we got couple of inquiries from women, who are housewives. तो उन्होंने हमसे पूछा है कि हमने तो कभी भी कोई सामान बेचा ही नहीं है अपनी जिंदगी में, हमने कभी कोई बिजनेस ही नहीं किया है, तो क्या सुचेता कपूर उन्हें सिखाएंगी?
Because I am always there to support people, and because पहले हमको भी नहीं आता था बिजनेस करना, and even I didn't know anything about cosmetics and even color cosmetics and skincare and wellness also. But धीरे धीरे सीखा, because I knew that my uplines were there to guide me. So that is what I do with my brand partners also. So pandemic ने सिखाया है हमें कि अपनी हेल्थ से बढ़कर कुछ भी नहीं होता. So now we have got products which are good for our knees, for our heart, and अब ज़्यादा fit लगते हैं because we have got wellness with Oriflame.
How easy it is to handle disputes?
For this thing, I will say, अगर चेक्स की बात करें, आपने कहा चेक्स के लिए, on every second or third, every brand partner get their checks in their account by NEFT. एक एग्जांपल मैं आपके साथ शेयर करता हूँ. There are few consultants जिन्होंने काम करना, for some reason they were not working, but कंपनी का इतना अच्छा वो था कि चाहे ₹1 किसी के अकाउंट में था, they send it by check or draft.
Okay, now straight question to both of you, Sucheta Kapoor and Sanjay Kapoor. What is see, there are a lot of cosmetic products in the market. Why Oriflame? What is the USP of using Oriflame products? Over to you both.
In the beginning, I said that I have got sensitive skin. So I was looking for natural products. And Oriflame suits anybody and everybody because of the quality of our products, because we have got natural Swedish cosmetic. And all our products are designed by world-class scientists. Around 1,000 scientists are there in our R&D centers. And even a lipstick is designed by a scientist. And they are tested for, all the products are tested for 5 to 8 years before being launched. I think Oriflame cannot be compared to any other brand.
Building an empire is not easy, but if your team has a vision as you, then it's the most satisfying and the successful business venture. This is what Sanjay Kapoor and Sucheta Kapoor are all about. दोनों ने साथ में मेहनत करी है, Oriflame को एक ऊंचाइयों तक इंडिया में ले गए हैं. कुछ तो एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा. हमारी सारी कम्युनिटीज, सारी women entrepreneurs, housewives, senior citizens जिनके पार्टनर्स चले गए हैं और वो अगर उनको लग रहा है कि उनके पास कोई काम नहीं है, please get in touch with them. They will help you start your business and get busy. This is the best form of fighting your mental sickness कि आप कोई business start कर लें, और Oriflame India Private Limited आपको help कर रहा है इस चीज में. So get in touch with them. Their details are available on this video, on the poster. Call them directly and take it forward.